Hi, this is a walk around video of my Thunderbolt 1000B tornado siren and probably a quick demonstration video of it. So this siren, that the head came from Brendan Williamson and the blower came from Chester County. And the RCM panel, well, inside itself actually came from Jeb, but the panel itself right there came from Brendan. So yeah, so this is the video of a walk around for the Thunderbolt. So this siren recently failed because of the control wire issue, what's connected to AR timer into this, and I think the wire I'm using for it is not the recommended type because it's weak and it's designed for used for a speaker sound system, and hopefully I can get the right wire for it. Although I do not know the recommended type of control wire for the AR timer to RCM panel, so I'm just gonna show the blower. This is a 4M C series. I'm just gonna try to open it. Well, knocking it over. No, let's see if it stays. It hopefully this doesn't break. I think it will. I think I should not do that. Well, I'm gonna have to hold the door because this will break off because if it's sitting like this, where it will fall off. So I'm gonna have to hold it. Anyways. Okay, here's the blower. Ooh, it's got some acorns in there. I don't know how that came in there. It must have been a mouse. That's what my parents told me for. It's a little dirty, but it's referring to the blower motor. At least it isn't tearing up or anything. So there are the weights. This is the belt. This is a single phase 240 volt 7.5 horsepower motor. And this is a 4M. This is on a custom wood mount, and the platform is on the steel. Even though this was welded, the history about the mount. So the pole mount, or the middle pole, steel pole mount. This came from Brendan, and it was originally serviced, I think, somewhere in Georgia, and it was. How it was removed is it was originally roof mounted, and they actually cut the steel pole instead of removing the bolts to take the siren down. So okay, I'm just gonna place down the blower if I don't drop it. So I'm gonna go show the RCM panel. Okay, here's the RCM panel. I'll show a tag in just a bit. This is a couple times with this I had issues with the Thunderbolt RCM, this siren chopper, but it's been since fixed. Like you probably heard that I had the chopper motor that failed. The chopper failed in the statewide tornado drill. Well, it's technically because of where the collector rings connect into the mount, head mount. The collector ring is mounted into the siren. So, and it was improperly mounted. So, result, it wasn't mounted, and the wires kept twisting every time this thing rotates. Until on the statewide tornado drills, when the wires decide to snap, blowing the fuse, stopping the whole siren. So it was technically our fault. Now it's not going to fail again, hopefully. So now, I have it currently set on chopper 7, and I have it currently set on. I want to be careful with this because this is a high voltage panel, so try not to stick the camera between one of the active components. So here's the ground, and there's where you connect your control wire. I'm just going to do a quick demo activation of the rotator, maybe the blower for a few seconds. Just put on my ear protection, do it real quick. I just hope that has hit the ladder. I'm gonna do the quick chopper. Okay, here's the loudness part. I'm just apologize for you can't see the blower in action, but I'm just gonna do a quick run of the blower. Alright. That was the little demo, so I'm gonna be showing the air timer that's in my room. Okay, this is the air timer, which I unhooked right now to show that the Thunderbolt control wire doesn't work. So yeah, this is the timer. And that's on top of it is the no weather radio. Is a Midland WR120EZ. And the strobe lights are all connected to my other radios. The red one's connected to this one, and the other one's connected to another weather radio. And yes, I have a lot. So, flathead, I'll show you the inside. I don't think I do. I can try to manually do it with my thumb. There we go. Take this off. And there's where the control wire is connected to, which is right here. That's connected to your ground, and the green. And this is the voltage of the power source. So this AR timer has a cam, transformer, 2 relays, which control the alert or attack, and 2 fuses and terminals. So I'm just gonna close it back up. I'll do that later. I don't have a flathead. These are all information that I put on here for the purpose of the Siren. Yeah, I know about the scribbles. Printing error. And this is a sperm count. All of this is no longer on the website, so they can got this so we can follow it. Even though the counting uses alert for tornadoes and attack for other emergencies, but my Siren's actually tested every Tuesday, so. And these are all the other alerts that are received by this. Can go off for tornado warning, shelter in place warning, civil danger warning, law enforcement warning, emergency action notification, which is the presidential alert, or the president alert, and evacuation immediate, which is alert, local area emergency alert, civil emergency message alert, I don't know if it's a good idea to use it for civil emergency message, but this siren mainly an outdoor warning and notification siren, so hurricane warning alert, blizzard warning alert, wildfire warning, depends if it's in or near my area, alert. I do have a Model 2T that I will show hopefully later on when I do a walkthrough video. The modular 6040 you probably saw earlier. I'm probably going to be hopefully get the project done by probably in August to September, because it may take a long time. Then I'm done with it. I thought it's going to be done by summer, but we're starting the speaker drivers slowly, and hopefully it can be wired in as soon as you can, because I know it will work, and I'll be happy to hear it. And I don't know if I'm going to record county siren tests because I've been busy and I have work. Well, I recently got my first job, so I just apologize for not many videos this year. There probably won't be too many like I normally do. Just, like I know about Upton County, Georgia siren test. I was wanting to come back and record more, but since I got my first job, I work on Wednesdays, so I won't be able to come. Probably the only way I want to come to Georgia is when I get 2 days off work, like Wednesday off work and Thursday off work, and that's probably when I go to Georgia. Alright, I think this was it. Thank you for watching.